Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting drone reviews and tutorials. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the KBDFA 2023 new E88 Pro Wi-Fi FPV drone. This incredible drone is packed with features that make it a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. First off, let's talk about the camera. The E88 Pro comes with an optional 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera, allowing you to capture stunning high-definition pictures and videos. With the altitude hold mode function, you'll be able to achieve stable and smooth flight, while the Wi-Fi function allows you to connect to the drone via your smartphone for real-time transmission and control. The foldable arms make it incredibly portable, and with a 3.7V 1800 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 10 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The 2.4 GHz technology ensures anti-interference, and the 6-axis gyro provides stable flying and easy control. But that's not all. The E88 Pro is also equipped with headless mode, one-key automatic return, and trajectory flight, giving you plenty of options for capturing the perfect shot. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply looking for a fun and versatile drone to play with, the E88 Pro has got you covered. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed drone, look no further than the KBDFA 2023 new E88 Pro Wi-Fi FPV drone. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today and take your aerial adventures to new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.